Alright, greetings to all the refinishers out there. This is our first video of multiple series I'm going to do for tips and tricks for pros that do this business and for do-it-yourselfers that own apartment buildings and such things like that. I'm going to tell you guys how to strip tubs, how to refinish tubs, how to properly prepare tubs so that you have long durability out of your tub and you will not have to do this, what I'm doing to this tub right now. For your do-it-yourselfers that own some apartment buildings, or maybe like a triplex, a fourplex, or maybe a couple of houses and your bathtubs are in really poor condition, maybe they look like this, I'm going to tell you guys how to get out of this with as least work as possible, but it will entail some work because we do need to remove the coating that's on there. I'll also give you guys some tips on what to use at your local hardware store so that you can refinish your tub. The number one thing that you guys will need to do is you will need to get a proper hydrofluoric etch solution that is specifically designed for tubs. We sell it on our website. There are some other companies that sell it. We sell it in smaller containers that will do 2 and 3 tubs. You can get it from other wholesalers that will sell it in bigger quantities, that will sell it for 10 and 20 tubs at a time. However, they will want you to be licensed and professionally trained to be able to purchase off them. We are hoping that you guys will follow safety procedures and wear gloves, goggles, and masks, and make sure that you are in a well-ventilated area, like a confined space fan like this. Works very well. If you don't have that, make sure there's a window open, you are wearing a charcoal filter mask, and you do not want to get the stuff in your eyes. Alright, now here we go. This is what we're going to do here. We have to strip this off because this was professionally done once upon a time. I think they said about 6 years ago. However, do you see the shine on the tub? This was not etched. Your tub cannot have any shine on it when you etch it. Although they did use a primer, gray primer, and it doesn't look like it turned yellow, which leads me to believe that they did use a urethane top coat. Alright, for your do-it-yourselfers that are going to do it yourself, what you guys want to do is you want to etch it with a solution properly made for tubs so there is no shine. Then you're going to want to use an enamel primer from your hardware store. You can get that in the spray can. You put down 2 medium wet coats of the primer, and then you can use an enamel top coat, shiny white, or bone, or any other color that you guys would like. Now, if you're going to do that out of a spray can, you're going to need to let the tub sit for about a week to dry. If you're doing it professionally yourself, you can use 2K products, which is a catalyst that is mixed in. I do not recommend using an epoxy as a top coat. Absolutely not. It will turn yellow. Unless you don't mind if it turns yellow, but it will turn yellow. And what will happen is the outside here will stay kind of white, and then the inside here, as it bends down, will all turn yellow, a really bad yellow. And even though you could get a good finish doing that, the color contrast, you're not going to be very happy with it. So what we're talking about on this video here is we're going to be stripping this tub. It needs to be brought right down to the original. We're going to re-etch it, and then we're going to put our bulletproof system on it, we call it, at bathtubrenew.com. We put our polyurethane top coat resin bulletproof system. So here we are. We're going to strip this baby right down to the original porcelain that is on top of this steel tub, and we're going to make this brand new again. Alright, stay tuned for the next video, and we're going to do an after video on this, maybe quite a few, just so you guys can see this process. Alright, bye-bye for now.